Good afternoon, sir. I am making this video to, to present or discuss about my perspective on this activity. But before that, I am introduced to myself. I am Toto G. Alfonso from BSIS 2C. So, the title of the topic is the ethical question related to personal data markets and privacy concerns. So here are the three examples of the topic. First is the consent and informed choice question. So here are the question. To what extent can individuals truly consent to the sale of their personal data when they are often presented with complex terms and conditions, lack full transparency about how their data will be used, and may not have the bargaining power to negotiate favorable terms? So it matters. The, the concept of informed consent is central to ethical data practices, but in the context of personal data markets, the power imbalance between individuals and corporations can make it difficult for individuals to make truly informed choices about their data. This raises concerns about potential exploitation and the erosion of individual autonomy. It highlights the need for clear, understandable, and accessible information about data practices, as well as mechanisms to empower individuals to control their data. Second, uh, the data ownership and control. Here are the questions. Who owns the personal data generated by individuals? Do individuals have the right to control how their data is used and shared, even after they have sold it in data market? It matters. The notion of data ownership is complex and contested. While individuals generate the data, corporations often claim ownership based on their role in collecting, processing, and monetizing it. This raises questions about the balance of power between individuals and corporations in the data economy. It underscores the need for robust data protection laws and regulation that ensure individuals have meaningful control over their data. Third, equity and fairness. The question: how can we ensure that personal data markets operate in a fair and equitable manner, considering the potential for discrimination and the amplification of existing social inequalities? It matters. The value of personal data can vary significantly based on factors such as demographics, location, and online behavior. This creates the potential for discriminatory practices where certain groups are unfairly targeted on or excluded for opportunities based on their data profiles. This raises concerns about the potential for exacerbating existing social inequalities and creating new forms of discrimination. It highlights the need for mechanisms to, to mitigate bias in data collection, analysis, and use, as well as to ensure for to ensure fair and equitable access to the benefits of the data economy. Here are the conclusion of that topic. Personal data markets present complex ethical challenges that demand careful consideration and robust solutions. Addressing this ethical question is crucial to ensuring that the data economy operates in a way that respects individuals' privacy, promotes fairness, and upholds fundamental human rights. That's all. Thank you.